I don't even care.
Response. Her only response is
Pretend the pet is your crush and ask it out.
your romantic voice.
I can make this really.
I'm due to the dog. Okay, for warning, I'm due to the dog, not him.
Sheldon, do it to the cat. Do it to the cat.
Where's the cat?
Let Tigre's out in the kitchen.
Like more, like me.
Poor Le Tigre. Where'd Le Tigre go? Le Tigre.
What?
No.
Where's this?
He might be up in my room. Le Tigre. I got this.
Yeah. Come on. No. Rejection alert, I didn't even ask you.
Him.
You rejected before you
Here. Here, it's okay. This is too funny. You're acting a dog out.
No, I was thinking about you the other day, and you're kind of cute, you know? I was wondering if, maybe you could be out here sometime, yeah? Yeah? No?
Is this how you ask your girlfriend out?
Oh, no, a dog. Yeah? No? What about her? No? Okay, post rejection.
That's a him.